Living in Middleburg, Florida, offers many perks: beautiful weather, lush surroundings, and the charm of a close-knit community. However, Florida homeowners also face unique challenges when it comes to maintaining their houses. Chief among these is dealing with the state's humidity and heat, which can take a toll on one of the most important features of your home: your windows. Understanding how climate impacts your windows can help you know when it's time for repairs or replacement, ensuring your home stays comfortable, energy efficient, and protected. Warping and frame damage. Florida's hot and humid conditions create stress on window frames. Wood frames. Prolonged exposure to humidity often causes wood to swell, warp, or rot, making it difficult to open or close windows smoothly. Vinyl frames. Though more resistant to moisture, vinyl can expand in extreme heat, leading to gaps around the window frame. Metal frames. Aluminum may resist humidity, but it can absorb heat and transfer it indoors, affecting comfort. When frames lose their shape, it leads to poor sealing, air leaks, and higher energy bills. Seal failure and condensation. Florida's humidity can compromise the seals that keep double and triple pane windows effective. Seal breakdown. Heat expands materials, while humidity seeps into weak points, eventually breaking seals. Foggy glass. Moisture trapped between panes causes cloudy or streaked windows that no longer insulate properly. Reduced efficiency. Seal failure means your home loses the insulating benefit of multi-pane windows, forcing your AC to work harder. For Middleburg residents, this is a common issue in older homes with windows that weren't built for the local climate. Increased cooling costs. Windows that don't properly block heat make it harder to keep your home cool. Heat transfer. Older single-pane or poorly insulated windows let hot outdoor air seep in. Solar gain. Direct sunlight through outdated glass significantly raises indoor temperatures. Energy strain. Your HVAC system runs longer and harder, driving up monthly utility bills. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and insulated glass can significantly reduce cooling costs in Middleburg's long summers. Mold and mildew risks. Humidity isn't just uncomfortable, it can cause real problems for your windows and your health. Moisture buildup. Condensation around frames creates the perfect environment for mold growth. Wood rot. Once moisture sets in, wooden frames can weaken and deteriorate. Indoor air quality. Mold near windows can release spores that affect your family's health. Regular maintenance can help, but replacement is often the most reliable solution for long-term protection. Shortened window lifespan. The combined effects of Florida's heat and humidity mean windows in Middleburg may not last as long as those in milder climates. Material fatigue. Constant expansion and contraction wear down frames and seals. Finish deterioration. Paint or coatings may peel, chip, or fade faster under intense sunlight. Structural weakness. Over time, damage leads to costly repairs or replacement sooner than expected. Investing in windows designed specifically for Florida conditions ensures longer durability and performance. Final thoughts. In Middleburg, your windows face constant exposure to heat, humidity, and sun, all of which can affect performance and comfort. From warped frames and foggy glass to rising cooling costs and mold risks, these climate-related issues highlight the importance of choosing the right windows for your home. Energy-efficient, weather-resistant windows built for Florida's environment can save money on energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and extend your home's protection against the elements. If your current windows are showing signs of wear, now may be the perfect time to explore modern replacement options tailored to Middleburg's unique climate.